brought to us by the Viva Prime channel and instant replay presented to us by the Philippine Charities Sweepstakes Office.
Walang kupas.
Gates open, they're off and racing. Tagalista didn't waste time at the start of the race. In between horses, Dreamworks moving upon the outside. Princess Erika, and about 5 deep, we've got Sir Bombs next to get in as a Treasure Boys as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Sir Bombs moving up to grab the lead, doing 16.5 on the opening quarter. It's Sir Bombs by about 2 lengths, and in second, the favorite Tagalista alongside Dreamworks. Treasure Boys now in fourth. A length back in fifth is a Princess Erika. Gifted Talent is down in sixth, and then followed by Royal Jeddah. Harry Home comes next, then followed by number 3, and that is Grand Star and Strike Force bringing up the rear, doing 25 on the second quarter. Inside the last 600, and it's still Sir Bombs, a long shot by about 2 lengths. Then moving up now and coming closer is Tagalista, a length back to Treasure Boys in third, then followed over by Dreamworks. One moving upon the inside is a Gifted Talent and Princess Erika. Now we've got a complexion of the race has been changed, with Tagalista moves up to grab the lead, doing 25.5 on the third quarter. Tagalista now starts to pull away, this time by 4, and in second Sir Bombs, and in third is a Gifted Talent. It's still Tagalista followed by Sir Bombs and Gifted Talent, and finally Tagalista, Gifted Talent, Sir Bombs, Dreamworks, and Strike Force for your Pentafect.